If you're young, one of the ways to ensure your financial success is to own a hoopty. What's a hoopty? Well, it's kind of a unique kind of car. I'll give you an example because our yard is full of them. So this is a example of a hoopty. It's a 2004 Toyota Sienna. It's been banged, beaten. It's got 260,000 miles on it. Still running. Inside's not too bad. What's cool about a hoopty is the cost. If you get a good, reliable hoopty that looks horrendous but runs really well, preferably a Toyota, they're really cheap. One of the great things is you can lower your insurance. Just take no collision, because who cares? If the car's cheap, you get an accident, it's your fault, whatever. Take it to the scrap yard, get $100 for it. Now, one of the classic hoopties has been my old Toyota Tacoma. Those things you could shoot them, you could drop them from a building. I think Top Gear demonstrated that, and the thing keeps running. I've passed mine on to my oldest boy. It has 300,000 miles on it. Original clutch. It's been totaled, been hit multiple times. I never fixed any of it. Perfect hoopty. The thing looks horrendous. I used to take it to work, park it next to the BMWs. I'm sure the security check my parking pass frequently. So our kids have lots of hoopties, but one of our kids has managed to hit what you call the Jackpot car, and it's the grandpa version of a hoopty. Not too bad, low miles, old. This is like a 2004 Camry. Nice condition, well taken care of, low miles. It's got like nothing for an engine. You're not going to speed. Cops are not going to pull you over in this car because it's a grandpa car. You don't need collision. It is one of the cheapest running cars. You probably won't pick up any girls with it, which is probably good for my middle son. Where do you find a hoopty? You can make them. Our family certainly did. The minivan, the Toyota Tacoma, all self-created. The other way is you find a grandpa who's got a car, who's hardly driven it, and it's in good shape. What should you pay for a hoopty? What's kind of the limit where it's out of that range? Well, this little Camry was $1,500. I'm sure you can get that minivan for $1,500. So I'd say $1,000, $1,500 get you a good hoopty. If you can do that, hey, you aren't going to be like the most popular person with a nice car, but it's all right. You're going to save a fortune.